John's convinced me to destroy my machine.
The Starlink.
Starlink. Get into a flat mount. All we're doing is taking out the motor for the leg, and then just keeping a good base on it. And what we're going to do, we'll show you shortly, is put it into a MILWAUKEE toolbox. Cut the top out of the lid of the toolbox and mount it flat, and that way we can mount that toolbox flat on the roof of the truck.
Beautiful.
We'll have Starlink all the time, maybe.
Fingers crossed. So we've cut all around it and we're just prying it off. What do we do once we pry that bit off?
Okay, now what we have to do is get this white cable out, which is the main cable heading into there. So what we're going to do is get this, force this thing out.
I did see that was a bit hard at times, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's it.
No, it isn't. It's a piece of piss.
Oh. There it is. And then break them, that's okay. There we go. And that just goes down there. And then that. This is the motor one, the black one. Just untake it there. Just like that.
Okay, so just that little piece that hooks in.
We don't need the motor anymore. Take that out. We're done.
And that
Goes in the bin. I will pick that up because John likes to litter a lot. Okay.
So that gives us
gets
the
rid of
bits
the
we
motor.
need.
And we didn't clip any cords.
Didn't clip any wires or anything. That's all you need. There are ones where you've got to cut right round there, but I like this. That way, less chance of cutting anything, and it gives a bit of purchase once we cut the hole in the toolbox. All right.
Yeah.
That's it for now. Now for the toolbox.
So John regularly takes me shopping and seems to then want to cut up everything we buy.
Right, so that is the top of the MILWAUKEE box, and just cut the top out.
MILWAUKEE would be very satisfied to see us cutting up their boxes.
That's it.
Look at that.
It sits in there, and there is gaps, but so it sits in flush, nice, but we'll fill that up with silicone glue.
Beautiful.
Alrighty, so here's the finished product of it, all ready and raring to go. We've hooked it up, it's working perfect, and the next couple of days we'll get some bits and we will mount it on the roof of the truck.